Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2 Minutes Parsha. We have just begun the Torah again and we are starting with creation. And I want to focus particularly on the creation of the human being. See, when it comes to the human being, there are two different points that are mentioned. The one is that the human being is made from the dust of the earth, and the second is that the human being is made in the image of God. And over this last week, I learned something tremendous. How many times have we read this section and heard the story, and yet there is so much that is new to be discovered each time. Dust is the most worthless out of all of the building blocks that are used in creation. The heavens are built out of the sea. The dry land is built out of the earth. Many of the animals are created from the earth. Some are created from the sea. And yet there is only one thing that is made from dust, and that is human beings. And that is, as I said, the most worthless out of all the building blocks. You can sell earth, but you can't sell dust. You throw it away, you get rid of it, you clean it out of your house. And yet, what is it that this dust is created into? Into the image of God, the most sublime and elevated out of all of creation. And so Rabbi Abraham Joshua Heschel points out that you have this paradox within humanity, and I think it is saying that so perfectly describes the human situation. Made out of the basest materials with the most sublime form. That is what human beings are. We have the image of God, the greatest possible potential out of everything. There is nothing else in all of creation that has the image of God. In fact, we are told throughout the Torah, do not make anything in the image of God, using the same words, tselem and tumut, that are used in description of our creation. And yet, what is the base material that is used? It is the dust itself. Human beings have this dual nature. On the one hand, we can be dust. On the one hand, we know how very fallible and frail human nature is. On the other hand, what can be achieved with that dust? The image of God, nothing less than the pinnacle of creation itself. May we all merit that we live a life of the image of God, so that such that even the dust of the earth became sanctified. Shabbat Shalom.